Can y'all hear me? They're testing.
Jacksonville. The preceding alarm tone was a test of the public warning system on NOAA weather radio station West XJ60 in Gainesville.
WNG 522 is going to go.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a possibility of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Florida: Alachua, Baker, Bradford, Clay, Columbia, Dixie, Gilchrist, Lafayette, Levy, Marion, Putnam, Suwannee, and Union. In addition to the regular tone alarm, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning device called SAME, which is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal warning tone, which alerts all alarmable NOAA weather radios in range of this broadcast, SAME allows people with a SAME-equipped weather radio to be notified of watches and/or warnings affecting only the county desired. For more information regarding NOAA weather radio, contact the National Weather Service at 13701 Fang Drive, Jacksonville, Florida, 32218, or call 1-904-741-4370. You can also visit our website at weather.gov/JAX. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio station West XJ60.
And have a Happy New Year, Jacksonville.
The forecast.
Alright. Happy New Year, Jacksonville. There we go.
The northwest winds around 5 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. This is NOAA Radio, the 24-hour voice of the Weather Service. Receiving signal as a public warning alarm for transmitters in Florida area. The same unit also does the same unit. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. unless elected threatens. The test is done.
The test is done?
Synopsis. High pressure will remain in the region.
Happy New Year, TBW, I guess.
Damn. Will take place later in the week and into the weekend.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
The current time is 11:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Let's set this thingy. There we go. Wow. Happy New Year, TBW!
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida
Happy New Year!
From Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
No Happy New Year?
Your coastal waters forecast for the KH.
No Happy New Year.
For the following marine location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 2:52 p.m. Tonight, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots.
Happy New Year, TBW. Well, I guess you didn't wish us a Happy New Year. You suck. Whatever. Happy freaking New Year, y'all. There we go.